All right, folks, grab your seatbelts because this is a wild ride through the world of repeat driving offenses. We're talking multiple suspended license charges, no insurance, improper plates, and a streak of traffic stops that'll make your head spin. Our main player, Mr. Crannell, facing a stack of charges so tall the judge has to read them like a grocery list. Now here's where it gets interesting. The prosecution is offering a package deal. Plead to just one count of driving while license suspended, second offense, and everything else disappears. Sounds like a bargain, right? But before you say, lucky break, you want to hear just how many times this guy's been caught doing the exact same thing. And let's be real, when a judge already knows you go way back, that's rarely a good sign. Stick around, because before this hearing is over, the gavel's going to come down hard, and in a way that might surprise you.
Mr. Crandall, let me see if I can get these in chronological order. Got stopped for driving suspended. Second offense in file 25791ST on April 25th. On that same day, April 25th, he was charged with driving without any valid insurance in file 25792. Then on April 13th, he was again charged driving without any insurance and driving with a suspended license. That's 25904SM and 905ST. Then, just for extra measure, he got a new charge of driving suspended on June 26th and improper play of a registration plate. He hasn't even been arraigned on that charge yet, but I believe the prosecutor is aware of it. So there's a package plea agreement. The defendant is going to plead to one count of driving suspended second offense. And that would be in file 25791ST. And everything else would get dismissed. Is that your understanding, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm not sure if this new case was part of this. Were you aware of his June 26th case? Oh,
he did. Actually, he did. June 26th, you said?
Yes.
Actually, yeah, I do remember him contacting me about that to inform me of it. But is that what does that have a file number?
Yes, 25904SM.
Okay, so it's my understanding that that would be part of the package agreement.
Okay. All right, one DWLS second to encompass everything.
Right here, this is the legal reality check. Driving while license suspended, second offense, isn't just a slap on the wrist. It's a misdemeanor with up to a year in jail, a $1,000 fine, 2 points on your driving record, and another license suspension on top. That's a vicious cycle. Once you're suspended, every time you get behind the wheel, you're risking more fines and more time. So here's my question for you. If your license was suspended, but you needed to get somewhere, would you risk it? Or would you find another way? Let me know in the comments.
Okay. I'm sorry. I was talking with my lawyer.
Driving suspended second is a misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You understand?
Yes.
All right, you're going to plead a DWLS second in file number 251241ST. Dismiss all other files. All right, Mr. Crandall, you heard me go through the rights several times this morning. You understand you have those same rights?
Yes.
Did anybody promise you anything to get you to plead to this?
No, they didn't threaten me or anything else, please.
All right, well, let me take a look at your ticket, this particular one. In that case, that was a ticket that you got Michigan Avenue Railroad Drive on April 25th. Driving suspended second, no insurance, and improper plate. 11 o'clock in the morning, Michigan Avenue and Railroad Drive, right downtown. Where were you going?
I was trying to check on some mechanic work at the time.
Was your license suspended at that time?
I think it was.
Yeah, in addition to all the ones here, you've got several in Kalamazoo. You got a September 23 case of driving without a license and you failed to pay the fine. No proof of insurance, driving suspended. 3/11 of 18, driving suspended, failed to pay a license 2016. And then these all right in a row. I don't get it. It's like you just don't care.
Well, I care, trust me.
You're driving with no insurance, no plate, and you get pulled over 3 times in 40 days for the same thing.
And this is where the pattern becomes impossible to ignore. The judge isn't just reading off recent charges. He's reaching back over 2 decades. 15+ driving suspended charges. No insurance. Improper plates. Tickets left unpaid. This is why courts come down hard on repeat offenders. Because from the judge's perspective, if you've been told no this many times and you're still doing it, what else is going to change? This isn't about a one-time mistake. It's about a lifestyle behind the wheel that the law just can't ignore anymore.
I have no fines here in this court.
I didn't see any in this thing. Let me look in here. You and I go back a long ways. 2001, driving expired. Proper plate.
Do you know if the defendant has any alcohol related?
No, I don't
offenses?
drink.
Okay.
No, I don't think there's driving suspended. You must have 15 driving suspendeds in here, going back to 2001, when I was still prosecutor. You got defaulted on the registration plate, but that's going to be dismissed. I just don't get it. All right.
Can I explain?
Yes.
My wife is dead. She's been dead for 10 years. I'm the only one where I'm at.
Yes, and you told me that when I met you the last time.
Yeah, yes, and it still goes.
Yes.
Now, this is a tough moment. The defendant shares a personal tragedy. His wife passed away. He's alone, and you can hear the emotion in his voice. And the judge? He acknowledges it. He believes him. But here's the hard truth. Personal hardship doesn't erase legal responsibility. Judges can sympathize with your circumstances, but if your actions keep putting others at risk, like driving uninsured, it's their job to step in. This is one of those moments where the human story collides head-on with the legal system.
All right. Well,
I got no family.
yes.
You think I'm lying to you? I'm not.
No, I believe everything you're saying, but that doesn't give you the right to just keep driving with no insurance and no plates, and you get arrested, you bond out, you get arrested, come back. They dismissed everything except this one-year offense. They don't want me to put you in jail for 1 year. They give you a $75 crime victims' right fee, a $50 state minimum fee, $125 to by August 31, 25. You're going to jail for 7 days, starting right now.
And here's the hammer drop. 7 days in jail, starting right now. No come back next week, no pay a fine instead. The judge has reached his breaking point. And notice, this isn't just punishment for this case. It's the cumulative weight of years of repeated offenses. The takeaway here? The more you repeat the same violation, the less likely you are to get leniency. And when the judge says you've worked your way to the top of the list, that's not a ranking you want to win.
You owe me $125 by 8/31/25. Yeah, you're going to jail. You got unpaid tickets in Kalamazoo. You must have 12 prior driving suspended charges. You get 3 in 50 days. Yeah, it's time for jail. You've worked your way up this calendar to the top of the list. 7 days in jail, you'll get a day of good time. You owe me $125. When you get out, you can go with a court officer.
Stand up, sir. Put your hands behind your
I
back.
don't have money right now.
You don't need any money right now. You just need to go to jail.
Hands behind your back. And reach your hands further behind your back.
Well, 7 days?
Yes. I can make it more if you'd like.
No.
Let's go, sir.
All right, Mr. Crandall, you're good to
When am I
go.
gonna be able to get out? Just a moment.
You'll get out in 6 days.
What is?
Yes, today's Friday. You'll probably get out next Thursday.
Let's go.
Do you have a pet?
Yeah, I got 3 of them.
All right, we're gonna let you make a phone call. Somebody to take care of your pets.
So, here's the final picture. The package plea spared Mr. Crandall from multiple charges, but his history sealed his fate. 1 conviction for driving while license suspended, 2nd offense. 7 days in jail. $125 in fees due by August 31st. And a judge who made it clear, keep driving illegally, and next time will be worse. This case is a textbook example of how past behavior shapes sentencing. No matter how personal your struggles, the courtroom runs on accountability, and repeat patterns carry heavy consequences. If you found this case as fascinating as we did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life courtroom breakdowns that reveal the drama behind the decisions.